Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another lesson from the book Qaida Noorania. This is last lesson of Noorania Qaida. This lesson is about al-huruf al-muqatta'ah, muqatta'at letters, separately recited letters. Inshallah, you will see these letters in the beginning of specific surahs in Quran. Before starting this lesson, you need to learn rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween and Meme rules of Meme Sakin. I have explained these two types of rules of Tajweed in previous lessons. If you know these rules of Noon Sakin and Tanween and rules of Meme Sakin, then this lesson will be perfect for you. If you did not watch, I have mentioned the links of these two lessons, rules of Noon Sakin and rules of Meme Sakin, in description. Firstly, you need to watch, then this lesson will be easy for you to understand. I told you about this lesson. We'll read this lesson at the end of these Arabic exercises. Today, inshallah, we'll learn these Arabic huruf al-muqatta'at with details. Let's start. If sakin letter comes after mad letter, then you will have to stretch mad letter as long as 6 harakat. Firstly, we start from here. Alif, lam, mim. You will have to make mad 6 harakat on lam, then make gunna on mim and stretch mim with 6 harakat. You can see I wrote these letters one by one with harakat. Alif is simply alif. Then lam, fatha, and then you can see alif mad, and then mim sukun. So sukun letter is coming after mad letter. You have to stretch this alif or as much as 6 harakat. Lam. Then next letter is also meme, meme. So meme mutaharrik kasra is coming after meme sakin. This meme merge into this meme. Lam. That's why gunna will be made. And next letter is ya, madda, and next letter is meme sakin. You will have to stretch this ya as long as 6 harakat. Mim, alif, lam, mim. Stretch this lam as long as 6 harakat. Make gunna on mim because of idgham rule from the rules of mim sakin, and then prolong this mim as long as 6 harakat. Alif, lam, mim, sad. This one is alif, is simply alif. Lam, mim sakin after madda letter, stretch as long as 6 harakat, and then make gunna because mim mutaharrik is coming after mim sakin. Mim sakin merge into next mim, and then stretch mim as long as 6 harakat because of this mim sakin is coming after mad letter. Mim. Then don't make gunna, just show this meme because this is izhar from the rules of meme sakin. Izhar, show this meme, meme, and then sqad. Dal sakin is coming after mad letter. Stretch this mad letter as long as 6 harakat and then make qalqala and dal because dal has sukun and dal one of 5 letters of qalqala. Sqad. The next one. Alif lam ra. You can see alif is simply alif, then lam, ra, ra. The next one, alif, lam, mim, ra. Stretch with 6 harakat, and then make gunna on mim, and then stretch mim with 6 harakat. Alif, then lam, mim sakin is coming after mother letter. Stretch this as long as 6 harakat, and then you can see mim again mutaharrik. Merge this mim into mim. Again ya mad, and then mim sakin. Stretch this ya mad as long as 6 harakat, and then ra. Show this meme lam mim ra. The next one, kaf. Fa sakin is coming after mother letter. Stretch kaf. Ha ya ain sad. This one, kaf. Fa has sukun. Stretch alif mad as much as 6 harakat. Then ha, ya, they are madda letter. Stretch as much as 2 harakat, and then stretch this ya madda 4 or 6 harakat. Ain. Next letter is qad. You have to make ikhfa on this noon. Pronounce it like ain sad. And don't forget to do qalqala on dal sukun. Sad. The next one, taha. Taha. Pronounce ta with alif saghira and ha with alif saghira. The next one, tasim mim. Tasim mim. This one, ta, and then sin. Stretch this ya, sin. This non sakin is added with this meme. Sim. Make gunna on this meme. Sim. Mim. Stretch this madda as much as 6 harakat, and this ya madda as much as 6 harakat. Same. The next one, tasin, yasin, صاد. Make qalqala and dal sukun. صاد. حميم. حميم. عين سين قاف. This one is ha, and then meme. Show this meme. You have to make izhar on this meme, and then ayn sin qaf. Make ikhfa, light ikhfa in here, and then stretch this one, this ya madda as much as 6 harakat, and make heavy ikhfa in here, non sukun, because next letter is heavy letter. Si, si, qaf. The next one, qaf, noon. Alhamdulillah, today's lesson lesson about huruful muqatta'ah finished. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.